Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and recently Mojang released Snapshot 22W17A. I'll be showing you the most important additions in this video, so if you want to find out what's included, just keep on watching. There were a few gameplay changes in the snapshot. First and foremost, a new item has been added into the game. Now whenever a goat rams into a tree or any other hard block such as packed ice, logs and stone, they have a chance of dropping a goat horn. Goats only ram into blocks that occur naturally where they spawn. Other solid blocks are unfamiliar to goats, so they won't ram into those. In total you get 8 horn variants. 4 of them are exclusive to screaming goats. Each horn has its own sound based on the goat it originated from. Here are some of the sounds these horns can make. Moving on, there have been changes to the Warden mob. The major changes are relating to their ranged attack. Firstly, their ranged attack can now bypass shields and armor. That sounds super scary, but don't worry, the damage their ranged attack does has been lowered from 30 to 10. Another tweak is that when wardens kill you with their ranged attack, it will now display its own custom message. Lastly, whenever you kill a warden, there's now a 100% chance that they drop one single Skulk Catalyst block. One of the major technical changes involves attempting to make in-game chat in third-party servers more secure and safe. Firstly, chat messages between players are now cryptographically signed. This means that only the sender and the intended recipient of the message can see the message. Secondly, players are given a key pair on startup. This means that you can use a key to prove your identity and safeguard your personal data. Moreover, servers can now require players to have a public key in order to connect to a server. This is to further increase security within chats and communities. There have been a ton of bug fixes in this snapshot in the lead up for 1.19. The most significant ones include features present in the new release. For example, in Snapshot 22W15A, using the /locate stronghold command in a mangrove swamp or deep dark single world would usually lead to an unexpected error. It would say, somehow try to find structures for a placement that doesn't exist. Thankfully, if you repeat the same process in this week's snapshot, that issue doesn't occur anymore. Another set of bugs that kept occurring were those relating to the activation of skulk sensors. In a lot of previous snapshots, if you placed a skulk sensor nearby and moved backwards on a bow, the skulk sensors wouldn't be activated. This was super weird as that wasn't the expected behavior. Not only that, but if you slid on ice near a skulk sensor, it wouldn't activate either. Fortunately, in this snapshot, that has been altered and the skulk sensor block activates accordingly. However, that wasn't the only issue with skulk blocks. In previous snapshots, skulk blocks would often not drop experience when blown up. Also, when spreading in ancient cities, they would somehow replace soul sand with fire on top, completely extinguishing fires. Since the skulk block family is still a work in progress, developers were easily able to fix these issues, as well as a bunch of other bugs. If you want to have a look at all the bugs that were included in this week's snapshot, the link to the article will be in the description. Those are all the major changes made in Snapshot 22W17A. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to see more from our channel. Don't forget though, if you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to test out this snapshot with your friends, you should head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching!